Hi, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to change someone's password, any of the users on your computer. So what we're going to do is go to Start. This is on a Windows XP computer. Press on Run and then the Run box comes up and you type in CMD for a command window. Press OK. Right. So we've got the command window. First we can see what users are on the computer. So we're going to type net space and then user and press enter. Okay, so what this does is show us, wait 1 minute, thank you, there we go. It shows us who is the users on the computer. So at the moment we've got the administrator, we've got a guest account, we've got someone called Jara, and we've got Mitz. Okay. Now if I want to change Jara's password, but I'm actually logged in as Mitz, I'm just going to add a password. I don't even know whether she's got a password or not, but this will just override it. Okay. So we'll just type net space user, and another space, and then the name, Jara, and then we're going to press shift and number 8, okay, and then press enter. Now it comes up and it says, here we go, type a password for the user. Now this doesn't mean the existing password, it means the new one. And when I type it, it's not going to come up here at all. So I'm just going to quickly type 3 letters, okay? Right, and then press enter. And it's going to ask me to confirm it. I'm going to do the same thing again and press enter. Now it says the command is completed successfully, and it's just taken me back to where I started from. Okay, so next time that person tries to log in, they're going to have to use the password that I just typed in, which they'd have no idea about. You can only do that if you're an administrator, or you could log in as an administrator and change everyone's password. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a new user. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, we're just going to create a new one. So we're net user, okay, and we're going to call it something like, just give someone a name. We'll call it Dagwood, right, and a password. We're just going to type the password, J-A-Y, then a space, and then slash, and then add. Okay, and then we're going to press enter. Right, now let's have a look and see what it says. It said the command completed successfully. Okay, so what that means is that I created a user named Dagwood and the password is J-A-Y. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in net user and then press enter to see what users I've got now. Okay, I'll just pull this over here. Now have a look here. Now I've got this extra user in here. It's named Dagwood. Now if I want to sign into that account, I did put a password on it. Okay. So now I can make that person an administrator, because so far it's just an average user. Okay, I'll just quickly show you how to do that. Just move this along a bit. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to type net space local group administrator. Yep. Oh, sorry, S on the end of that. And whoever the person is that I want to make it an administrator, so I'm going to make Dagwood an administrator. Okay, and I'm just going to move along a bit because we're going to press space and then we're going to press that slash and then add again and press enter. Okay, so now it's come up and it said it's completed successfully. Now I'm quickly going to close this because I've showed you how to change someone's password and all that. So what I'm going to do is quickly close this, and I'm going to go to the start menu. Now on the top of the start menu, just to get to the user accounts, we quickly double click on that picture. Okay, and then it takes us to the user accounts. Now what I want to do is press home. Okay, and all I want to do is go down here and show you that account that I actually made. It's a computer administrator. His name's Dagwood and it's password protected. So there we go. I can change anyone's password. We've got all administrators here, but yep, if the guest there, I could put a password on the guest account. I can go in and make that person not an administrator, or you can do all sorts of things. But I hope this video has helped you. Alright, thanks for listening.